All right, like most of us in the secondary watch game, I bought this one where it was watch only. So I have a certificate of appraisal and an authenticity guarantee on the brand. It's a Bucherer. It's a Manero Power Reserve. Date, what it was appraised at, and then the watch itself just came by itself. So this isn't the case that it came in, but this is, you can see, this is the model, serial number. It was authenticated, it's real, and this is what I have. So it's an authentic watch, but I don't have any of the box, I don't have any of the paperwork, just the authentication that it is a true Bucherer watch.